got it, I got it. Okay, I wanted to show you guys I Heart Makeup 24K Gold palette. They released this a few weeks ago. I really wanted it. I waited and waited for Superdrug to get it, and they just never came out with it. I don't know. Even now, they still don't have it, and I had to wait a while for it because snow and all of that stuff. It delayed their shipping, but not by too much. So here is the palette itself. Oh, I absolutely love this palette. It's shiny gold. They've got one in this range which is like a matte gold, and they've got a rose gold one and one which is like a matte rose gold one as well. And I think I'm going to do like a comparison of the four because they're all kind of centered around gold. But anyway, we're going to do some swatches with this palette. So as normal, it comes with a double-ended sponge tip applicator. I never use it, but I always keep it anyway. And here are all of the shades. They are actually really pretty. When I saw this online, I wasn't as taken aback by it. I don't think that the picture does it as much justice as it does in real life. Like, I absolutely adore all of these peachy, mauvey kind of tones, and then obviously you've got the black and you've got that green there as like the pops of color. It smells just like chocolate, just like the rest of the palettes in their range. They do have one which smells like a little bit like strawberry. They've got one that smells like mint and one which smells like oranges, but I definitely prefer the smell. Oh, and they've got one that smells like peach as well, but I definitely do prefer the ones which smell like chocolate. So let's get right into the swatches. So this is the big one called Bling, Luster, Spirit, Spice. They are a little bit on the chalky side, I have to admit. Gilded, Flare, Stun, Real, Moonlit, Glacier, Solitaire, Rock, Stone, Crown, Satellite, and Gem. Those are all of the shades. I have to admit that the mattes are rather chalky. They swatch rather chalky. But aside from that, I do actually quite like the shade selection, and I really can't wait to create a look with it. This quality of shadows from this range is a standard quality. It's not one of the best, but it's not one of the worst. I'm assuming it's the exact same formula as the previous ones in the range, because I don't really see much of a difference in regards to quality of them. But it is quite a nice range of shades. I can't think of any particular palette that this is trying to dupe, because this range is usually dupes of other palettes. Like, if you know what palette this is supposed to be a dupe of, just let me know. But I can't think of a palette that this is supposed to be duping off the top of my head. But as I said, the picture of the palette on the Tan Beauty website is not a true representation of the palette in real life. But in my next video, I will be creating a look with it. So, oh yes, it sells for $8.99 on the Tan Beauty website. I did get it on the Tan Beauty website rather than at Superdrug. As I said, Superdrug didn't have it, and I think it was $1.99 shipping. But yes, tomorrow's video I will be creating a look with it. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.